Forex trading, an overview. Trading is a process done by an entrepreneur with the desire of profit. Each trade, be it trading for an entity, for goods and services, or even in the old barter system, all leads to the ultimate destiny, profit. Forex trading is another kind of trading where you trade currency. Here we take a more in-depth look at the various components of forex trading. Forex in a nutshell. The foreign exchange or forex or FX market simply involves the trading of different currencies around the world. Currency value actually plays a very important role in regulating their internal as well as external economic situations. A very unique aspect of the forex market is that no central markets exist for facilitation of forex transactions. Forex trading is always done over the counter electronically through computer networks. The market is open 5.5 days a week for 24 hours straight. Currencies are constantly traded in the major financial centers of the world such as London, Tokyo, New York, etc. The forex market is highly active all the time, as when a trading day ends in the US, the time difference means that it will immediately commence in Japan, at the same time causing price rates to be very dynamic and ever-changing. Forex is generally traded in currency pairs. Some of the popular ones include US dollar and euro, US dollar and Japanese yen, British pound and US dollar, etc. Factors influencing forex. Forex rates are influenced by numerous geopolitical factors such as interest rates, tourism, trade agreements, conflict, industry development, etc. Based on these factors, currency values increase or decrease with respect to the other in that respective currency pair. While there is no set standard as to how much each factor would influence currency rates, investors speculate if a currency will strengthen or weaken against the other based on these factors. Risks with forex trading. Trading with currencies can hold a significant amount of risk and complexity. Interbank trading for forex often runs on different degrees of regulation in which the trading instruments are not standardized. In many countries of the world, the forex trading mechanism is almost entirely unregulated. Since the forex market is run by placing bids on currency, it is heavily influenced by supply and demand. Because of the massive volumes in the case of forex trading, it becomes very tricky and difficult to predict which direction the market will take. It is very necessary to take into account a holistic view of all the factors influencing currency rates. To summarize, forex trading makes for a lucrative option for traders with limited funds to invest into the market. Forex is particularly beneficial for day traders considering how the market is active almost all the time, unlike other commodities. That said, it can also be beneficial for large traders with high volume of capital to invest, considering how forex is the biggest market in the world in terms of capital traded. The complexity of assessing the various factors involved and how they will influence the market certainly does exist. However, a little focus and understanding given to fundamental macroeconomic concepts will certainly give you an edge in analyzing forex trends and becoming successful in the market. Here's how Santrix can help you on this journey. Adding to what we discussed above, Santrix can also help you with search engine optimized website development, social trader, multi-level affiliate management system. In addition to this, we offer MT4, MT5, white label and liquidity, Forex CRM, client cabinet, risk manager, MAM and more. Santrix has helped several other brokerages multiply their profits by implementing the right set of tools. Our expansive turnkey solutions cover all the necessities your brokerage will require. We take care of your company incorporation, licensing, implement the appropriate technology, liquidity, and also be a strategic partner.